Waste management and city cleaning is not an easy task, especially during winter season. Municipalities have to assure these essential services across the city area, despite weather conditions, traffic jams, narrowness of the streets, and all while staying within a tight city budget. Add CO2 emission reduction goals on top, and the task starts to look impossible. That's why utility companies are evolving. They are switching from manual work to automation, from petrol vehicles to electric ones, and of course, they are implementing telematics to get vehicle insights and plan the trips efficiently. The challenge is to find a solution that will be able to withstand harsh weather conditions and at the same time will be compatible with different vehicle types. More often than not, a utility fleet is a mixed fleet, as it solves different tasks. During winter months alone, the city needs to assure waste collection, city cleaning, streets sparkling with salt, in order to assure that our cities are clean and safe. I recommend a solution FTC or FTM 305. It features a robust, weather and dust-proof IP67 rated casing, ensuring smooth fleet monitoring even in harsh environments and extreme weather conditions. Designed to work with electric fleets, it has a wide voltage range, up to 97 volts, and has a one-wire interface to implement immobilizing or driver identification scenario. And most importantly, it can read raw CAN data and send CAN commands to control the vehicles remotely. It allows to specify what CAN parameters should be read, may it be the battery level of the e-cleaning vehicle or the status of the implements attached. If the CAN bus of the vehicle contains the data, FTC or FTM 305 will be able to transmit it. All the setting is done directly in device configuration, without the need to implement a special vehicle protocol or request special device firmware. And that's how the full solution looks. FTC or FTM 305 is installed in the utility vehicle and connected to vehicle CAN bus to read the required parameters. An RFID or I-button reader is connected using one wire to ensure that the vehicle is used only by the authorized personnel. The key telematics data is transmitted to a telematics platform using 4G network, and if anything goes wrong, for example, if the driver is speeding or leaves the city area, a notification is sent to the fleet manager immediately. Utility managers can read vehicle data remotely and plan timely maintenance, leading to lower costs and longer vehicle life. They know who is behind the wheel and how this person is behaving on our busy city streets. If you would like to learn more about this use case, visit Teltonika website. And for sure, don't forget to subscribe to see more of our videos.